Skadar Lake is located on the border between Albania and Montenegro. This is a perfect location for lovers of aquatic and wetland ecosystems, geologically created by tectonic phenomena. In 1995, it was inscribed on the Ramsar list, World Wetlands of International Importance. The lake's plant life is diverse, as is that of its surroundings, and during the summer months, an abundance of water lilies and water caltrops spread for miles. The lake was proclaimed as the Area of International Importance for Birds Habitats in 1989. Visitors have the opportunity of the unique experience of seeing the symbol of Skadar Lake, the Dalmatian pelican, which locals call panats. Additionally, thousands of cormorants overwinter on this lake each year. The most numerous and most important fish species are common bleak, carp, crucian carp, European chub, eels, thwaite shad, and mullet. The main tourist centers are Široka and Zogaj, offering numerous hotels and restaurants. The main leisure activities include fishing, swimming, sunbathing, and the exploration of the area. A highly recommended, unique experience is a cruise on Skadar Lake.